Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about something that sounds crazy, but it really isn't. Square roots. We'll also answer this cool question. How does the world's smartest mathematicians do square roots in their heads? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. First, smart mathematicians are not magical. They look for patterns. They estimate instead of calculating everything perfectly. Break big problems into small pieces. And most importantly, they practice. That's it. They don't see numbers differently, they just see relationships faster. Let's go super simple. A square root asks this question. What number times itself equals this number? For example, 3 times 3 equals 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. That's literally all what a square root is, really. Um, Before doing the harder ones, you should just memorize a few easy ones. So 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4, 3 times 3 equals 9, 4 times 4 equals 16, and yada yada. Here we go, 5 times 5 equals 25. These are called perfect squares. Smart mathematicians know these instantly. So you just want to try and be the same as them, right? Now let's try something not perfect. What about the square root of 10? Well, we'll have a look at that. We all know that 9 equals 3 times 3 and 16 equals 4 times 4. Therefore, 10 is between 9 and 16. Okay, so the square root of 10 must be between 3 and 4. We've narrowed it down without doing anything too complicated. That's how mathematicians think. Now, they start estimating. Um, Estimating. Now, we test small guesses, so try 3.1. 3.1 times 3.1 is 9.61. A bit too small. Try maybe 3 times 2. 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 equals 10.24. A bit too long. So the answer must be between 3.1 and 3.2. The real answer is about 3.16 or 3.16. Notice what we did. We didn't panic, we didn't use our calculator, we just reasoned step by step. So we want to just slowly build a picture in the background. How mathematicians really think. When you see someone mentally calculating something like the square root of 200 pi, here's what's happening. They break it into parts, estimate each part, compare it to numbers they already know, like we were just doing before, and adjust quickly. They don't calculate everything perfectly, they estimate intelligently. Here's the truth. Math isn't about being a genius. It's about recognizing patterns, staying calm, and practicing. The more you practice, the faster your brain starts spotting shortcuts. That's how math geniuses are built, not born. Thank you very much. Do subscribe and like the video for more.